Ooh. Hello everyone, I hope everyone is good. This is Fistomatic once again. Welcome to the channel FMW. Today we are doing what I promised we will do. She's gonna replace the whole headlights. We're working on another Getz video. Okay, so the headlights. Well, last time we did the brake pads, I think. Yeah, we did the brake pads. So today we're just installing new headlamps. There's the Getz that I was talking about. You remember? Right? Yeah, today we are fitting the new headlights over there. Alright? So yeah, let's begin. Don't know if you've noticed another Golf. So this one is another Golf, guys. It's not the Velocity, it's the 1.4 carbureted. This one is actually carbureted. Yeah, huge engine problems, but subscribe. I don't get why you don't subscribe, guys. This is content you like watching, you're into cars. Subscribe so that the channel can grow, and also like the video so that YouTube can notice that, hey, we're doing something right. Okay, so subscribing is free. It's absolutely free. So I don't understand why some of you, if you have subscribed, the 6 subscribers that I have, thank you very much. But those who haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Alright, so let's crack on, guys. Let's put you here. Alrighty, let's crack on. Yeah, we'll gonna be using a 10 socket, guys. So we move 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on the inside. As I'm removing that grill, the top bumper, it's one piece actually, it's a grill and a bumper at the same time. So there's a hidden bolt of the headlamp. So there's a hidden bolt that I'm going to right now. 10 to 10. Then obviously you have to remove the connection, the electrical connections inside the bulb. There's one for indicator, there's also one for headlights. Then they're respectively out, as you can see. Okay, let me show you. The things that I'm talking about is actually right here. You just squeeze it. Just squeeze it like that, and then it's out. And then the one for the indicator is this one. Easy peasy, guys. Then you're done. The headlamp is out. So I'm just gonna get the new ones, remove the old one, get the new ones out of the box, if that's your kind of thing. Hey, let's do it. Ta-da! As you can see, the scoffing and everything. I think it's our country, guys. Not our country even. The African sun is too hectic for these European guys. I think we should start making our own cars. So usually the sun UV rays finish this lens over here, and then it gets faded, and then you have to do that thing of restoring it and everything like it. As I've said in the previous video, she's already done that, so yeah, it keeps on coming back. So now wait for it. Nice, huh? Genuine Hyundai. It's not from eBay, not from Facebook Market or anything like that. So yeah, I told you that this lady is really fussy about the car. Okay guys, this is what you get. Obviously we have to transfer. It doesn't come with the lights, so we have to with the bulb, so we have to transfer from the old into the new. So yeah, bear with us while we're doing just that. Alright guys, so apparently I was wrong about you needing to change the bulbs. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is a bulb. I don't know if you can see. This is a bulb over here. Then if you can just look through there, there's Mr. Bulb over there. I don't know if you can see guys, but yeah. So hey, and yeah, you get what you pay for, I guess. And there's also an indicator bulb over there. Okay, there's a bulb over there. So let's just test if everything works before we now for the test. Beautiful. Those are the park lights. So yeah, so far so good. Oh, guys, I don't know if you can see. It's a day and night difference.
Wow.
Now check that out. Huh? Oh, it's so nice, guys. Let me do this. Day, night. Granted, the sign is not shining on night, but I'll take the car out so that you can see. But I am impressed already. Check that shine. Check that. Oh, it's like a brand new Getz. Yo, it's so nice. Let's put you back here and crack on with the other side. Cause it's the same scenario with the other light. Same. See, the hidden bolt is square. It's not as sharp as the top one. So if vice versa, it won't fit on the hidden bolt part. So that's the only thing. Can you see that, guys? Do you wanna know how much they actually cost? Comment below and I'll tell you. But I'll make a separate video for the for this price. It's not cheap, but also for this, it's worth it, guys. So let me crack on.
Thank you.